bottom of the fucking thing. I figured. What do you think, dude? Fucking practice worked out.
I'm not taking a picture.
No?
I'm taking a video.
Oh.
Yeah, so everything went according to plan. The chute held firm, concrete flowed smooth, the finishers are inside, putting in work. We're rinsing out over here. We might even have a little extra to do some bonus work, maybe throw a little pad in the backyard, something at the bottom of our staircase so we can put down a little rug and wipe our feet and not get tracking mud in the house and all that shit. But yeah, what a superb outcome, remarkable, planning, perfect, execution flawless, and thank you for tuning in.